Hello everyone, short video about how I sort out engine fault issue on my Peugeot 308. I show you what fault code it was before. When I start the engine, on multimedia I have few faults. These electrical faults could be with battery, just flat battery, but another one, engine fault, have the vehicle repaired, and another message service on the dashboard. First thing, before I go to any mechanic, I connect a simple diagnostic tool and found this fault code P3060, high number of self-ignition before spark over the last few miles traveled. This fault can indicate many different things, such as spark plugs, coil packs, knock sensor, muff sensor. Sometimes timing problem as well can show exactly this fault code. But before I done this whole job, I done one thing with my simple diagnostic tool. I show you what I done, and it was help me. Maybe it will help for you as well. Connect my diagnostic. Here is I straight away choose system selection and engine ECU. Confirm. My diagnostic tool not recognize what type of ECU I have on my car, but I found out that it's VD46. And after, because I clear all fault codes before, and it was coming back again, I go straight away to the special function, pack reparation, and here I choose initialization of the adaptive values. And here is the very important thing, it have to be charged battery, definitely very good condition, and one of the more important point is car not be started for 10 minutes before do this job. After press confirm, all initialization adaptation going through and fault codes gone. Let's see. That's it. No service light, no engine fault. But make sure you do not drive before they do this function. I hope it helped for you. Thank you for watching.